Hey there! Today we're drawing a lovely anemone flower. Let's get started. First, we sketch the overall shape. Think of it like an upside-down umbrella. Start with the outer outline and set the direction of the umbrella opening dot next. Let's break it into parts. What looks like petals are actually sepals. This flower has no real petals. There are usually 5 to 20 sepals. So if you want it to look fuller, just add more layers. The sepals come in different sizes and shapes. Some are big, some small. And that's totally fine. It adds a natural touch. Now place the center of the flower, right where the umbrella tip would be. There are a lot of stamens, but in animal-style drawings, we don't need to draw each one. Just focus on the overall silhouette. Time to start inking. You can make the lines a bit thicker where they cross to add depth. Once that's done, erase the pencil lines and we're ready to add color. Start with a light purple base. Don't worry if it covers part of the center. We'll darken that later. You can add a bit of skin tone to some sepals to make the colors softer and more interesting. Use a darker purple to shade the areas where sepals overlap or curve inward. These are the shadow zones. The edges of the sepals are usually lighter, so you can gently blend them out with a fine brush or pencil. Now for the flower center. Start with a base of deep purple and slowly build up the shadows, especially around the lower edge. Use a light blue to highlight the raised parts, making them look round and soft. Add some light green to show the parts of the stamens and filaments that haven't turned purple yet. Then layer in darker greens to build more depth. And maybe a touch of bright greens to make certain areas pop. Don't forget the stems. Keep it simple. Just add a bit of shadow. Now for the fun part, use a white pencil to dot the flower center for that bumpy, textured look. You can also trace the edges of the sepals with whites to brighten them up a little. And that's it! Your beautiful anemone is all done! If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and follow me for more chill drawing tutorials. See you next time! And don't forget your pencils!